Welcome back. We've gone through setting up our target band here on this football field chart, but it is missing data labels, which would add a little bit of clarity on exactly what our targeted range of share prices on this chart, but it's fairly simple to add them, albeit some adjustments are needed. Let's left-click this chart, or actually, let's left-click the target band first, then go into the chart elements, then tick off data labels. And we'll see that each of these blocks gets a data label, but the labels are actually incorrect. It's showing $3, which is really just the difference between the $10 lower bound and the $13 upper bound. So that $3 is signifying this total gap here. That's $3. So we do need to make some adjustments, but first, let's select each data label. You can select the individual data label by double-clicking it, and you'll see all those adjusters go white. Let's delete all of them out except for two of them, because we want to have one right up here at the top, and then another one down below. And we'll work on aligning them in a little bit. But first, let's get them set up. And we can delete these connectors, which appear just by selecting them with one left click. And we can see both of them are selected, and then by pressing delete. Okay, let's now set up exactly what we want these data labels to be. So Macabacus has actually inserted these cells here, which are driving our target band. We don't need to worry about this max column, but the lower and upper are really key. The lower is the $10 per share, as we remember, the lower bound, and then the upper is the $3 that we were seeing before. Macabacus is just running a partial hard code here of $13 less $10, the $13 signifying our upper bound, as we can see. So that's what that $3 represents. It's really this area here, which is the $3 range. So we just need to make one calculation here, and then we can have a couple cells to just pull in to these data labels, and then they'll be fully dynamic. So let's just do this down here. We're just going to add two rows, one for lower target label, and the one for upper target label. And our lower target label, we know, will be $10. So we can just grab that cell right there, signifying the $10. And then our upper target label is, of course, our $10 plus the $3, and it will come to $13. So we're going to want this lower label to be as $10 and the upper label as $13. Let's just quickly center align these cells, and we'll use our border cycle just to add some borders, just so the formatting is consistent. Join us in the next video where we're just going to link up these data labels, which are still stuck at $3, to these two cells here so that they're fully dynamic and reflecting $10 on the lower bound and then $13 on the upper bound. See you all soon. Enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content? Then hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you over in the next video.